Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for coming in. And please click the red box all the way in the top and a notification in the bottom and help me grow my channel. And thanks for coming. Also, today we're going to make some little teacup hat. And what I did is I used some fabric you get from any designs of springs or fall, so I made it a fall season, and I wrap it all around the hat and also on the bottom, and I also add some laces the bottom of the hat and also on the top around it, and I also cut it around here, and we're going to use some styrofoam. And what I did is I take a knife and I cut each corner in each side, and I made it cut like this. And now we're going to put inside on top of the hat like this. And then we're going to take some flowers. I got it from Michael's craft store. And look how pretty it is. Sunflowers, different colors of shapes. So we're going to put all on the top, and I also put it on the side. And we need some hot glue and some scissors to cut the dent on the back of the flower. So let's get started. First thing, we need to cut these like this, and we're going to poke on top, but usually we'll use some hot glue, and it holds really well done. And we'll put it right here. We'll think we'll put a little stem so we could poke it in here, and it holds really good. And then we're going to take some sunflower, poke it all the way down, poke it really good to make sure it stays on the top. And now, on the bottom, we're going to use some big flour, and we're going to put on the bottom. Like this. And we have a little, look like a little tiny little flower dots. Little tiny, and we're going to glue it on the bottom here. Put it right here. Put it right here. And now we're going to take the sunflower And then we're going to take a red flower and we're going to put it right here, like maybe in the back, or maybe other sunflower. Then we're going to add this one here. Or maybe other type of how about that? And then, as we did all the flour, then we're going to add of green shiny fabric, and we're going to put together in half, cut in half. And we're going to fold it together. And we're going to put this, we'll put it back. And we're going to put this like this. Or put it back like this. And make it look like a teacup hat. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. Stay tuned for part 2 of the finest teacup hat, but all set up for nice. See you part 2. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching.